Hey guys, this is Crafty Cassondra and I'm going to show you a video on how I apply waterslide decals using my own technique. So first I'm just going to go ahead and wipe the wine glasses down with some marine alcohol and trim up the waterslide decals just a bit. And then we're just going to take the decal and quickly dip it into this room temperature bowl of water. You can see that some of the waterslide decals here have become loose from their backing. If they have not came quite loose enough, you can give them a gentle massage. Just remember that they are pretty delicate items. Be nice and gentle with them. Once you have the decals all loose from the backing, you're gonna grab a paper towel. I have one paper towel that I split into two, and I keep one side moist and the other side will stay dry. The moist paper towel does help when you're applying the waterslide decal and you're trying to get the wrinkles out. It helps keep the waterslide decal moist and reduces the chances of the ink cracking. So you are just sticking the waterslide decal film slightly above the backing, and that is what you're holding on to as you slide the backing carefully out from underneath the transparent film. Now you're just using the wet paper towel and working from the center of the decal out and just going around smoothing out any wrinkles. Once you are pretty confident that you have gotten all the wrinkles out, you're going to go ahead and go over the decal, again working from the center out with a dry paper towel to help get all the moisture out of the decal. The waterslide decal I used for this wine glass was a bit bigger than I should have used, so you will see some cracking that occurred, but it didn't actually look too bad. Here's a close-up of the finished waterslide decal, and then you can see just the transparent edge that is around the image. I bake my waterslide decals in a toaster oven at 350 degrees, and I bake them in 20-minute increments. As the decals bake, they become more transparent, so if you take it out of the oven and it still seems a little cloudy, you can go ahead and run it again. And here's the finished product, and you can see just how transparent the decal ended up becoming. If you would like to try these waterslide decals out for yourself, visit craftwithcassondra.etsy.com.